Hi guys, today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you another way that you can get onto your Google Meet for your class. So what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to make sure that you are in on your Google Classroom. So it'll probably pop up looking like this. You're going to want to make sure that you're in your class. Once you're in your class, you're going to notice it doesn't matter which one of these. When you're on the classwork, it's harder to get to. You would just click this Meet button and that'll take you to your Google Meet. So I'll show you real quick. I click there and I am in on the Google Meet. Or if I'm in on the class stream, I can go ahead and I can just click right here, right underneath where it says the title of your class. And that will also take me to the Google Meet. So super easy to get to your Google Meet and should be able to find it. If you can't find it either one of those places, remember the other place that you can always go is to your teacher's virtual classroom. So if you are in Mrs. Brewer's class, you would go to classwork. You could go to start here, click on the virtual classroom. When you click into the virtual classroom, then you can go to the computer screen over here. It's downloads. And once I click on the computer screen, it's going to pop up the link, and that also takes me to the exact same Google Meet. So hopefully that is helpful and helps you be able to get to your class's Google Meet.